Hi, everybody. It's Adam. Here today, we're going to do another puppet story, this time about giving compliments. And I have two lovable characters, Mr. Whale, hello, and Mr. Dino, yes. You guys are here, and we're going to help by practicing giving compliments. What is that? Again, a compliment is something nice you say to someone else. So it can talk about the way they look, the way they act, or something nice they did, or just that you like being with them. That's a compliment. Okay, I'm ready. All right, Mr. Whale. Hey, Mr. Dino. Yes? I really like your teeth. Let me show them to the kids everywhere. Yeah, I like them. I have 0 teeth. Oh, okay, thank you. Mr. Whale. Yep. I really like your tail. Oh, I have one too. Oh. Hey, nice job noticing something you both have. You can give compliments. Mr. Dino, yes. I really like that you're a dino. Thank you. You're welcome. In fact, I see what's happening, yeah. Huh? You're face to face with greatness and it's strange. You don't even know how it feels. It's adorable. Huh? It's nice to see that dinos never change. Open your eyes, let's begin. Huh? It's me, Mr. Whale. Breathe it in. I know it's a lot, the tail, the bod. When you're staring at a metapod, huh? What can I say except you're welcome for the compliment you gave to me? Hey, Mr. Dino, I like that compliment. It's just a part of being me. Huh? You're welcome. You're welcome. Whoa, that was more than I thought was gonna come from that mouth. Thank you. You're welcome. You guys, I think you understand what it's like to give some compliments. Thank you, Mr. Whale. Yep. And Mr. Dino. Yes. For being here and helping the kids learn about compliments. Have a wonderful day.